In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Volleyball Legends on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All that you have to do to play Volleyball Legends on Roblox is to open the Roblox launcher on any platform, including PC of course, and then looking for Volleyball Legends. You will find it here by Volleyball Game Group. You will know that it is the official one because it has more than 1 billion visits, so at the moment it has 1.5 billion. All of the details are going to be here. You can click on PC for bump or spike in mid-air. You can press Q to set or block on mid-air, and you can dive with control. So all that you have to do now is choose the option to join. I'm not sure if this game offers private servers, but you can check by scrolling down and choosing the servers option at the bottom. When you first join, you will see this introduction here, some details about it, and now you are free to roam around. So you can see all of the styles that you can acquire. You can go over to the shop, and if you just want to play right away, just click the play button here. You will join one team here according to the position, or you can return to the lobby and you can start playing. So when you join a team, you can take control of your character and start playing. I'm going to demonstrate this in a private server because I believe it is simpler to do. But you can do this on any platform. Like you saw, they also have controls available for controllers, so you don't have to worry about that. When you join a private server and the round starts, you can do the exact same thing. And then you just have to use the buttons displayed at the bottom here. So you can left click for bump, Q for set, control to dive, and you can do super sprint once that bar is charged. You can return to the lobby at any time by clicking this button here, and you can use the spins available on your account to get different abilities and different styles. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.